Hi friends, it's Claire from ScrappyNerdUK, and I thought I'd just jump on and film a very quick haul video for you. So with everything that's been going on recently, I thought I would treat myself to some new goodies. I am trying to avoid buying any new collections, so I am buying other things for my craft room instead. So first of all, I have bought these Tonic table tidies. So I've got the bigger one. These are modular, so these click onto it. I bought the bigger one from Amazon. If I can find a link for it, then I'll leave it in the description box down below. But these then clip on to that modular system, and that sits right beside me, so I can have my tools to hand rather than it taking up desk space. I got these from Craft Stash, which there's no affiliation to, and also if you sign up you get 20% off your first order as well, so I took advantage of that. These I think were already in the sale or clearance or something like that, and then I got 20% off as well. So I got the double pocket one, which is this one, and then there's a little pocket on the front as well. And then I've got the single pocket one, which is going to be great for pens and scissors and stuff. And then that is as a tiny little, I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with that pocket, but there's a tiny little pocket on the front as well of that one. So yep, I've got those two from Craft Stash to go on to my other one. Then I also bought, a huge roll of foam tape. This is I think this is 1 mil thick. So it's quite a thin one, but these are great for shaker cards. So there's 50 metres on this one, and I think this worked out at £4 odd in the end. £4 if you're in the UK. And yeah, 50 metres of it, so I grabbed that, I snapped that one up. Next I bought some Nouveau glitter markers. Now I've already got one of these, I think, but these are highly pigmented with glitter. Let's see if I've got something to hand, whether the camera's going to pick it up. So you need to do the same if you've got Posca paint pens or any acrylic paint pens. Then you need to activate the pen by just pushing down until all of the paint starts to come through. Not yet. There, I can see it, there we go, it's coming now. Okay, I don't know whether the camera's going to pick this up about how pigmented these are with glitter. I don't know if you can see that, but I got the Northern Lights pack, and these were with my discount, I think these were about £4 for the pack, which I thought was very good. Get rid of that now. Those can go in my pen pot. I also picked up some Pom Pom Trim as well, just some white Pom Pom Trim. I've been picking up other colours recently as well, but I use quite a bit of white on my December daily, which there will be some more videos coming. I didn't finish that off with my arthritis and stuff, so that is yet to be completed, and videos will be up shortly for those. So yeah, some white Pom Pom Trim. These were £1.49 plus the 20% off as well, so that was a really good deal. Then I also bought the Spectrum Noir tri-blends. So I've been doing quite a bit of card making recently, and I'm not too sure if I've got them to hand. I use these at a workshop, and they are amazing. So basically they've got 3 colours in one pen, and it enables you to do the shading. So you have a dark, a mid and a light just in the one pen. So you have the dark this end, the mid is in the middle, and then the light is this end. So it enables you to get that almost perfect shaded colouring without needing 3 pens. That one pen will do it for you. There are 8 packs of these available. This is my 5th one, so I need to stock up on the other 3. These were £18, but again 20% off, so that was a deal. Then I picked up some stamp sets as well. I got 2 from Pretty Quick Designs. Oh, I think these are actually Craft Stash made stamps. This one is for the guys. Just got some really good sentiments, and they're quite large as well. One of a kind. Have the best day. You're the best. Just got to celebrate. Birthday hugs. Love you. You've passed. To a very special guy. Let's celebrate and relax your way. And then this one here is for the gals. The more candles, the bigger the wish. Love you more. Celebrate your day. Happy birthday. Have a wonderful day. You're so special. Happiness always. Thanks ever so much, and congrats, you did it. These worked out at $3.99 with a discount, which is an absolute steal. This one was even more of a steal. This worked out, I think, about £3.60. These are the Crafter's Companion Floral Friends ones. It's got some really nice sentiments in. Count the good times, not the candles. I thought of you today. Adorable you. Far apart but close at heart. We need that right now, right? So yeah, I've got some more stamps to, mainly for the card making side of things. Then this was actually free with my order, so you get there's always deals going on there. So this was I think it was spend over £20 and get a free pack of envelopes. So you get 50 in here, and I think these are normally £4 or £5. So those were free with my order. I also ordered some foam pads as well, and I think these were 60p or something like that, and they were 3 for 2 as well. So many deals going on, and I like the bigger ones. I've got just tiny little ones left at the moment, so I ordered some bigger ones. I also ordered this little stamp from Couture Creations, and it says just for you. It's just a sentiment that I don't have in my stamp collection, so I picked that up. Then also I have bought this mini stencil. So it's stars in a circle shape, and I thought this would be perfect for those circle style layouts, to be able to add ink circles or texture paste circles to the background using that stencil, sorry. Then I also picked up some Stickit. So these are adhesive sheets for die cuts, so it will add the adhesive to the back without needing to mess around with glue or Glossy Accents or Xyron or whatever you use to add adhesive to the back. These were a bit more expensive. I think these were £5.99 normally or something like that. I paid £4 odd for those. Then this was a bit of a bargain. So Glossy Accents, one of the bigger bottles, and I've got dog hair all over it. Glossy Accents, this was £4.99, I believe, and then with the 20% off, I think it worked out at £4. And I've heard that Glossy Accents is difficult to come by, especially in the UK at the moment. So when I found it, and I found it for a steal of a deal, then I grabbed another bottle, because I do use this to glue a lot of my bits down, my wood veneers and stuff like that. So a bottle of Glossy Accents. And then finally, this is the reason I placed the order in the first place. So I had an email through saying that if you ordered issue number 185, which I'm not too sure, I think it might be this one. Yeah, I think it was this one. If you ordered a certain issue, the latest issue, then you could pick up 2 back issues for £3.49 for both, and you got the 20% discount, and it was free delivery. So it was an absolute steal of a deal if I just got these, but obviously I added to my order just to make it a bit more worth it, and also supporting companies in these difficult times as well, so out of my pocket and into theirs. So I got these 3 magazines. This one here I loved because it had the umbrellas, and it had clouds, and it had rainbow, and yeah, I just love anything that gives me inspiration, and so I love gathering magazines. I've got a whole box full of them. I need to go through and sort of de-stash some of them, so I got that one. And I also got this one here. These are all Papercraft Essentials magazines. This one here came with a kit for comes with like a card kit, so fresh florals, and you get pattern papers and die cuts and toppers and card blanks and stuff in there as well. So I'm excited to give that one a go. And then this one I was really excited about. So this one you get, I'm just showing you the freebies. I won't show you the magazines because that's not really fair on the manufacturers. But this one here you get a bookshelf embossing folder, which I thought was brilliant. And then also, just craziness, you get stamps and dies. So the stamps have got some different sentiments on: the next chapter, turn over a new leaf, load of book stamps, but there's also flower stamps. There's a cat stamp, also there's a cat die, and there are book dies in here as well. So I thought that was an absolute bargain. Yeah, so I just picked up a few bits. As I said, I'm trying to avoid buying any new collections at the moment because I really need to stash bash some of my other stuff, but it didn't stop me from being able to pick up some other items to play with for the glitter markers, some essentials in the Glossy Accents, some more white Pom Pom Trim, some more, another set of the coloured markers that I'm collecting, some magazines for inspiration, some add-ons for my little craft caddy, and some stamps as well. So, okay, I thought I'd tag this onto the video as well. This order turned up, again, continuing my little craft spree. As I said before, I'm not buying any collections, I'm just adding bits to my stash. So these all came from Tonic, and I blame Sam over on Mix Up Craft for this. I see her do a haul on this, and I saw her do a haul on this, and I knew that I had to grab it as well. So first of all, the Tonic Studios paper, they were doing 5 sheets of the single coloured cardstock. I think they were 78p or something like that. So I grabbed a whole stash of these. So I got this pinky colour. I don't know if they've got a name actually. Oh yeah, this one's called Raspberry Pink. So I got 2 of each. There were some other colours as well that I didn't pick up. Then I got this lovely teal colour, and this one is called Ocean Blue. Then I got this dark red called Cherry Red. And this purple. Purple's a really hard colour to pick up in scrapbooking, so I'm glad that I got this. This one's called Amethyst Purple. Then I got 2 of the teal blue. So that's what I got in cardstock. And then these all came from the sales section. So I absolutely love the Nouveau drops. They are a great replacement for enamel dots, and they go so much further. And these were about £2 each. So I got the crystal drops in the colour Blue Babe. Then I also got the crystal drops in the colour Dark Walnut. It's like a grey brown. It's not really a dark colour. It's just one that I don't have anything of this colour. And then I got the glitter drops in Red Sunstone. But it's more like a pink. And then I got the glow drops in Banana Split. I don't have a yellow, so I thought I'd grab that. If you've got the glow drops, let me know how you get on. I haven't actually seen any of mine glow in the dark. And to be fair, when they're in an album, you can't see them anyway. So I'm not too sure what the point of glow drops are. But I thought I'd grab the yellow as it was in the sale. Then I also grabbed a couple of embossing powders as well. This one in Turquoise Lagoon. Again, I think these were like £2. These are the Nouveau ones. And one in Pink Popsicle. These are great colours, and I don't have anything like these colours in my stash, so I got those. Then I also grabbed some sequins and shaker bits. So this one is the Periwinkle Blue. So these are sequins. These were 98p for the pot. And these are absolutely gorgeous. And these are more like a purple colour than a blue. And oh my goodness me, they're all stuck to the top. But yeah, I got those ones, and I love the little jar they come in as well. Then I also got the Mermaid Parade stars. So these are like a tealy green star, and these are just going to be great for shaker pockets. And then I also got the Rose Shell Blossoms, and these are like a pink tiny little flower. So I got those, and those colours together are just amazing. And then I got the Nouveau Embellishment Mousse. This one is the gold one. I don't know if it's actually got a colour. No, it just says Nouveau Embellishment Mousse. This is the gold, so I'm wondering how well this is going to go through a stencil. I haven't seen anyone particularly use this one, so I'm not too sure. Sealed, so I can't see. But look at that gold colour, so I'm really excited to use that. And then included, I've got a little freebie. So it's a little Nouveau trolley key ring, which will come in handy when I am able to go back to the shops again. So I got that. And one other thing as well that I did pick up, I picked this up from Amazon, was the back to the Nouveau drops. I got this Nouveau crystal drops. Now I was after a clear or clear enamel dots, and they're so hard to come by. But this Nouveau crystal drops in the colour Morning Dew, although it looks very white, it actually dries clear. So this will create like clear dots, like raindrops, which is exactly what I was looking for. So here is just another little addition to my haul. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give the video a thumbs up. I have loads more videos I need to film and share with you all, so I will try and get to those as soon as I can. But hang in there, I'll be back with you soon, and keep crafty.